Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I am participating once again of an open collaboration, and it is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Amethyst Adventure, CJ DIY, Buckeye Girl Decor and Life, At Home with Lisa, myself DIY with Aurea, Jackie Russell Creates, and the guest host is Connie Creative Creations. The entire playlist will be down in my description box. Please make sure to visit these creators and subscribe, share, and like, so like that our channels will continue to grow with your support. The subscription is completely free. So today, all the items that I'm using on this DIY are from Dollar Tree. This beautiful plaque, I'm gonna be adding some wooden beads to this jute twine. And this is gonna be a quick and easy DIY. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put this back together. I'm gonna go ahead and staple it in just the same way that I came from the dollar store. And once that is done, with a little bit of hot glue, I'm gonna glue these wooden beads in place. I don't want them to move. And I also have this beautiful love plaque, also of course from Dollar Tree, like I said before. And the only thing I'm gonna do is add plenty of hot glue right here in the back, and I will be putting it on the plaque, and this is it. Nice and simple, yet so beautiful. Leave me in the comment section what you think about this DIY, and let me know if you would add anything else to it. Moving on to our next DIY, I'm going to be taking this jute twine off from this plaque, and this is also going to be nice and simple DIY. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving it one coat with this white chalk paint only on the top of this beautiful plaque. This bless sign, I am going to go ahead and give it one coat with this stain, and of course later on I'm going to come back with a wipey and I will be wiping out all the excess stain off of it. Now it's time to put all this together with some more hot glue. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on top of that beautiful plaque that we just painted. And from the section of Crafter Square, I purchased these little transferable stickers, and I am going to take several of these branches and put them on either side of that bless sign. And now let's create a hook to hang it up on the wall. I'm going to use some more of these wooden beads along with the jute twine, and I'm going to use the same process. Some hot glue, put it in the back of this plaque and cut the excess out. And I'm also going to be gluing in the wooden beads in place so they won't move anywhere. I just want to give you a quick reminder. This video is part of a collaboration. Love is in the air. Please make sure to visit that playlist and let me know what you think about this beautiful DIY. Moving on to our next DIY and final DIY. I'm gonna take this plaque and I am going to start decorating it. I took whatever was left of 2 of my acrylic paints and I added a little bit of water, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix both of them together. Once done, I went on and I did 2 coats of this watered down paint. But before I start painting this little tag here left some residue, so I'm sanding it down. Okay, so I'm not happy with the result, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more of this acrylic paint without being watered down. So I started dabbing the paint with this dabber brush only because the texture I did not like. And I'm also going to be adding a little bit of brown acrylic paint just to make it look a little bit distressed. So I'm gonna come in with this melted chocolate acrylic paint and I'm gonna distress the entire heart. So I took all these 3 hearts and I used the same melted chocolate acrylic paint, and then with a wipey I went and I cleaned the excess paint. So now with some more hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue all 3 of them in front of this other bigger heart. Look at how beautiful. This is gonna turn out absolutely stunning. And also don't forget to leave me in the comment section which of these 3 projects is your favorite. And now I'm gonna use different kinds of ribbons to create a bow. I also have a pre-made bow that I used from a different project and I didn't like it, so I removed it, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it for this DIY. So I just took some more hot glue and I'm gluing it right here, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other bow. I think this is called mash. Correct me in the comments section if I'm not correct. I had some of it left over and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the entire trim of this beautiful heart, only because I thought that there was something missing and I want to make it look like it is completely finished. for more wooden beads, I'm gonna go ahead and create the hanger to hang it up on the wall. And this is it for this DIY. I am so happy that you decided to stop by. If you are coming from one of the other channels, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my projects. I am hoping that you do consider subscribing if you have not done so. In this channel, I love doing budget-friendly DIYs. I love thrift flips, trash to treasure, and I do a lot of DIYs with items from Dollar Tree. And if this is something you like, I hope you do consider subscribing. And like that, I can see you in my next video.